Hi, I'm Don, and this is The Hobbyist Geek. Today we're continuing the R2 model with issue 8. We've got our parts, so let's get to it. So here are the components that we received with this issue. We've got 2 dome frames, right ankle detail, a couple of ring frames, and a ring frame connector. We are also going to need several parts from previous issues, and we'll get into those as we go through the next steps. Okay, for this first part, we're going to be extending the head chassis, and you're going to need 4 more nuts and 4 more screws from the previous issues. And we're going to start building out in this direction. We're going to start with this piece that's got the circular hole in it, and we assemble it in much the same way as we did with all the previous ones. Put a little nut in, and screw it down. Repeat. And do it again with the last piece. Alright, and there is the dome assembly completed up to this stage. It is looking nice. Okay, for this next section we're going to be putting together the top ring, or at least starting to. There's a couple of items with this particular stage that I wanted to discuss. First is this piece right here. It's got some writing of some sort on one side, and it's blank on the other. So looking at the instructions, it looks like we're going to be putting together with the writing side down, though it doesn't specify one way or the other. Also, the instructions say to use the silver screws like this that were included with issue 7. These are the long silver screws. However, when you use those, they're a little too long and they end up sticking out of the ring, whereas these shorter silver screws, which came with earlier issues, fit perfect and flush. So we're going to be using the short screws instead. To begin, we can hook these ring pieces together just like a puzzle, and they'll just slide right in like that. The clamp is going to go underneath, just like so. And then you can take your short screws and just screw them right in from this side, like so. Okay, and you can see, nice and flush. So we'll do it again for the other side, and this step will be completed. Look at that. Nice solid ring for the dome. All right, for this final piece, we're going to be putting together his right ankle fitting. And we're going to need the ankle and 2 of the black screws from previous issues, as well as these. Now, there is a longer tab in there, and that goes in this slot, just like that. And you do the same on the other side, so that the final product looks just like this. Now, you've got 4 screw bases and 4 screw holes. And so you fit it all together, just like so. Nice and neat. We're going to want to screw it in. Right here. Now this is cool because these little tabs here are going to keep the silver pieces in place as well. And so there's your final ankle fitting. And if you want, you can bring in the rest of the leg and fit it together to see what it's really going to look like in the end. And there you have it. Issue 8 is complete. We got a number of things done on the leg and a couple different pieces on the dome. R2 is certainly coming together here. I can't wait to get to next week. If you like this video, please like it and share, subscribe to our channel, and hit that little notification bell so you always know when we have a new video. We'll see you next week.